My screencast demonstration of my implementation of the Wiki webpage using Django for project 1. For number 1, the entry page in the URL, I'll go ahead and type in an entry that already exists, which is CSS, and that takes me immediately to that entry page. If I enter a URL that or if I enter an entry that does not exist, Pascal, press enter, that takes me to an error, and it just also shows to the user that the requested page was not found. Going back to the home index page for number 2, see I have the list of all the entries that are defined, and I can click on any of these. So if I click on Django, you'll see definition for Django. If I click on Python, you'll see the definition for Python. For number 3, I'll demonstrate the search. So let's demonstrate the search for Git. Since that one is in my list, if I click search, immediately it comes up and shows you that definition. Now if I do a sub search for like the letter O, that's going to return a list of only two items were found that had the letter O, which was Django and Python. And I can click on that and show you that that's what Django looks like, and for Python, that's that definition. And then back on the home index page, let's create a new entry. This is demonstrating number 4, new page. So for jQuery, this will be the new entry, and I'll give it a header for jQuery and definition. jQuery is a JavaScript API library. And I click save, and that just shows you that this is what was saved in jQuery. And you go to the home index. Now we have a new entry called jQuery. Now let's pretend that I forgot that I entered jQuery, and I'm going to demonstrate an error condition. So if I go to create new page and enter jQuery, this time I'll give it a header of test, and just the message, this is a test. And then I'll do save. And I get this message that unable to save because jQuery already exists. Going back to the home index page, and just clicking on jQuery to confirm that no update was made. And now I'm going to demonstrate number 5, which is the edit link. So if I go to jQuery, click on the edit link, that brings up this text area where I can make edits. So for number 6, I'm going to edit the page for showing markdown. So adding some markdown here, I'm going to make jQuery the keyword. And then I'm going to add the link, so https://www.jquery.com, close parenthesis. And then when I save this, this shows you what I saved, and it shows that now we have a hyperlink to jQuery. And if I click on that, it pulls up the jQuery website. So going back to the home index page, for number 7, this will be the final demonstration for a random page. If I click this, one item will be pulled from this randomly. So that just shows the HTML was what was selected. And try it one more time. This time Python was randomly selected. So that concludes my demonstration of the Wiki page. Thank you.